you're looking for a quicker and easier way to clean and scrub your kitchen ceramic floors, or possibly your epoxy garage floor, or even your laminated decking, the Bissell dual head scrubber is going to work great for you. In this video, I'm going to show you the assembly process, talk a little bit about it, and by the end of the video, hopefully you'll be ordering one of these off Amazon, have it show up at your doorstep in 1 to 2 days, and make that cleaning and scrubbing a little bit easier for you. Now what makes this really nice is it's really versatile. Like I said before, if you have a big composite deck, after a couple years it starts to get mold and dirt on it, you can power wash it off, but this little scrubber will scrub it clean and make it look new again. Same way with like an epoxy garage floor. Let's say you got a 3-car garage, it's epoxy coated, you go through winter months and it's pretty filthy dirty. You don't want to be on your hands and knees scrubbing that. This will do that job as well. Let's say you have a kitchen with ceramic tile. You don't want to be on your hands and knees, hurting your knees, scrubbing with scour pads and stuff like that. You can simply stand up with the 23-foot cord, completely scrub down your whole kitchen, wipe it down, make it look new again. Let's unbox this and get it assembled. You get it out of the box and completely unpackaged, you'll see the head unit already has scrub brushes on it. And these are probably going to be basically used for epoxy garage floor, decking, stuff like that. It might be a little rough for ceramic tile or your LVP flooring in your living room or kitchen. Now it also comes with 3 other sets of pads. You have these blue ones, yellow ones, and these are more like a polishing pad. And then you have these extra head units to attach the pads to. Now basically the only assembly is just putting on the handle. And that's simply going to insert, and then you just screw it together. And like I said earlier, you have a 23-foot long cord, so you can pretty much do a very large area without having to use some type of extension cord. Now this does come with a tiltable handle. You just pull it down and it doesn't lock into any certain degrees. You can move it up and down however you want. And the handle up here at the top, you can do just a closed grip or this T handle like I have it here. There's a push button up here to make it go into a T, or you can just push down the button, close it up, and do it one-handed as well. Up on this button right here, and the handle will extend about another 12 inches. Now there's kind of a tricky part. Once you get this, you get it all assembled, you plug it in, you're like, where the heck is the on-off switch? Well, once you tilt the handle, it's going to turn on. So the handle is basically the on-off switch. So once you plug it in, you're kind of looking at it, wondering what's wrong with it. You might even be thinking about packing it back up or sending it back. There's no on-off switch. Once you tilt this handle, it's going to turn on. Spraying down some cleaner degreaser all over my epoxy floor, and then I'm going to scrub the whole floor with this scrubber. So I'm just going to show you how to turn it on and off. Like I said, as you tilt the handle back, it's going to automatically turn on. Show you up close what the scrub brushes look like, and I'm going to try and tilt this with my hand so you can see them spinning. I'll be using this in a variety of different ways, and I'll give a full-on review in about a month. Hope you guys enjoyed the video, and thanks for watching.